Hey, what's up? Welcome to my VSub AI review. If you're looking for an AI powered tool that creates viral short form content in seconds, this is the video for you. Let's dive in. VSub AI is an incredibly powerful AI video generator that lets you create viral content, including fake text messages videos, quiz and video rather videos, AI generated Reddit stories, split screen and cinematic AI videos, and the best part, it writes scripts, generates voices, and edits videos for you automatically. Using VSub is super easy. First, sign up or make an account on VSub, then inside the dashboard, pick a video type. New templates are constantly added, giving you tons of options. For this example, I will create motivational AI video. I select a template like cinematic dark, then scroll down to generate a script using AI. You can even pick from different niches like health, celebrity stoicism, creepy stories, historical facts, and more. Once the script is ready, I can choose the realistic AI voice from 11 Labs or OpenAI. Adjust image duration and pacing, add auto captions and subtitles, change from portrait to landscape. Everything is fully customizable, but most videos are ready to go instantly. Now VSub AI will create a professional AI voiceover, add captions automatically. It also generates AI images for visuals, render the entire video. Once done, I can tweak images, adjust text styles, and even upload my own branding. VSub is not just for motivational content, you can also create Reddit story videos, perfect for TikTok and short quiz and audio rather challenges in interactive and viral split screen reaction videos, great for engagement. All in just seconds. VSub AI works on a credit-based system. You can start for free, but to create multiple videos, you will need a plan options. Include monthly subscription based for consistent creators, lifetime credits, one-time payment, unlimited use. I personally use the Pro plan, which gives me 10,000 credits per month, enough to generate tons of videos. If you are serious about going viral on TikTok Shorts or Instagram, VSub is a game changer. No editing skills needed, just pick a template, let AI do the work, and start monetizing your videos. Drop a comment below what type of AI videos are you planning to create. See you in the next one.